This might give you the chill. Ever heard of a centipede that can grow a foot long? Introducing the giant centipede. This venomous predator uses its powerful pincers to paralyze and kill its prey. Yup, those pincers pack a punch. These creepy crawlies can grow up to a whopping 12 inches long. That's about the size of a ruler. You can find these giants lurking in tropical regions all over the world. And guess what? They aren't picky eaters. They hunt insects, birds, and even bats. So, next time you're in the tropics, keep an eye out for this fascinating yet fearsome creature. Just admire from afar. Nature sure is wild, isn't it? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome nature facts.